In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove access from shared Dropbox folders. If you've shared a folder in Dropbox and you no longer want someone to be able to open, view, or edit it, Dropbox makes that process pretty simple. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the easiest method, which is using the Dropbox website. This is a good option because the sharing settings are very clear on desktop, and it's easy to confirm exactly who currently has access before making any changes. To begin, open Dropbox in your web browser and log into your account. Make sure you're signing into the account that owns the shared folder or has permission to manage sharing settings. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Dropbox home area. From there, go to All Files. This section shows the folders and files stored in your account, and it's where you can quickly locate the folder you previously shared. Open the specific folder you want to manage. Take a moment here to double check that it's the correct folder, especially if you have several folders with similar names. Next, open the sharing settings for that folder. To do this, click Share on the folder. This will bring up the sharing window where Dropbox shows the people who currently have access. This part is important because it lets you review exactly who can use the folder and what level of permission they have, such as whether they can only view it or also edit it. Now find the person you want to remove. Next to their name, you'll see their current permission level, something like Can Edit. Click on that permission option to open the Access menu. In that menu, choose Remove Access. Dropbox will then ask you to confirm the change. Go ahead and confirm the removal. Once that's done, that person will no longer be able to access the shared folder. This means they won't be able to view its contents or make any edits going forward. If they previously synced the folder to their device, Dropbox may also remove their access there after the change takes effect. As a quick tip, after removing someone, it's a good idea to review the rest of the access list to make sure everyone else still has the correct permissions. That can help you keep your shared folders organized and secure. And that's how to remove access from a shared Dropbox folder using the Dropbox website.